So hi guys, this is the part 2 of the packing list video which I previously uploaded. I did leave out some items from last time, so I'm gonna add some more in this video and I'm gonna give you some clarification regarding what to bring. The first thing is the winter jacket. Many of you people thought that the size was medium. No, it is the thickness of the coat. So when you come here, you have to bring a medium thickness winter jacket, so that will help you for a couple of weeks. After that you can get a bigger one. If you have space in your checking bags, so bring as many hangers as possible so that it can accommodate you for the coming up weeks also. While traveling, you have to carry a lot of documents and stuff like that, and you don't want to pull out your passport from your backpack, so carry a waist pouch or a handy bag which you can wrap around your waist so that it can help you to easily find your passport and ticket and stuff like that. So carry one waist pouch. I'll give the link in the description also. And you'll be required to show your documents like I-20, I-94 and stuff like that at every point of time, so get sufficient amount of copies of them also. And so far I didn't use any, but it's better to bring some because you don't want to run into any problem. For the electronics department, you can get your pen drives and storage devices. So many of you people are asking. If you have, just get all the gadgets you have, or else you can just buy here according to your needs. After that, get some of your passport size photos, recent passport size photos. If at all, if you need to give your photos to somebody, it will be useful. After that, don't bring any ID proofs because I myself did not have any use of them while bringing it here, like Aadhaar card, PAN card and stuff like that. If you have a driving license, just get the hard copy of it, or else nothing else is needed. And regarding your every kind of ID proof, so make a soft copy of it, and please make a folder in your Google Drive so that it can be handy wherever you go. You won't be running into any problem. So upload all your ID proofs into a Google Drive file and keep it safe with you. And regarding vaccination, if you have taken any COVID or Covaxin or any stuff like that back in India, so if you have a certification, get it, or else if your nearest hospital gives you a vaccination, please take it and get the certification. Nobody really asks about it in the United States, but it's better to have one. After that, you can get some of your pain relief sprays like Volini or Move and stuff like that, so that can be useful whenever you get a sprain in your leg or in your neck. You can just use them to get instant relief. Instead of going to a doctor, you can just do some kind of first aid thing. Later, regarding electronic items, if you have a mixer grinder which supports 110 volts back in India, and if you really are in need of getting a mixer grinder after coming to United States, so get one from India if it supports 110 volts, or else it's not necessary as far as I know. So if you definitely think you need a mixer grinder, so check the voltage. I don't think you'll be having that much cabin space, space in your check-in bags, but if you are really in need, get one which support 110 volts in the United States from India. Regarding food items, do not carry any food in the flight. Even if it's in your cabin baggage, please transfer it to the check-in bags, and do not carry more than 100 ml of any sort of liquid in your cabin bags. It can be risky. You will be asked to throw it out, so make sure of that. And regarding packing your items into your cabin, check-in bags, try to use a vacuum sealed cover so that it can suppress the weight and suppress the amount of items you can just put in a bag. I'll put the link in the description also, you can check it out. And regarding the iron press, after coming here, you will be in need of constantly ironing your clothes, so you can get one here. After coming here, you can just go to Walmart and stuff like that. You can get one for probably $10 to $15, so it won't be that hard. And after that, after coming here, you'll be in need of some waste cloths to clean your stuffs and stuff like that. So get 2 or 3 spare waste cloths from back in India. Don't pretend that it's too much waste, but just bring 2 or 3 clothes that you don't use often so that you can use it to clean stuff. So that is it, guys. If I have left out anything else, just pin it down in the comment. I'll try to respond, and I think I've covered most of the stuff. So see you guys here, and peace. Welcome.